February 1621. Half of our company has died. Being infected with scurvy and other diseases, which this long voyage and its inaccommodate conditions hath brought on us.
A civilization moved to a new and unknown world. They started over.
It was the most ferocious struggle just to live. The character of existence demanded everything from you.
They believed we should be like a city on a hill, separate from the old world. If we fail in this, it's not just our failure. We're failing the cause of God's kingdom.
Annihilation was a real possibility. The warfare between the Indians and the colonists on both sides was brutal.
Out on the frontier, it required a kind of toughness and a real brutality.
Before us was this wild country. Where could we look but to heaven? People were willing to die for this free and independent land.
Something happened that produced America that had never happened before.
The idea that all men are created equal, that society therefore is a result of the conscious choice of individuals, that government exists not to save your soul, but to protect your rights.
The early Americans were actually aware of the fact that they possessed rights.
The colonists appealed to Magna Carta, they appealed to tradition, but the English began to tell them the only right they possessed was not to be held as a slave.
They may be subjects under the crown, but they didn't have the rights of Englishmen. The method of self-governance the colonists were used to suddenly disappeared.
We cannot be made to live this way. The only option is war.